So we're back at Weston. Something coming up later, I'll show you them in a minute. But we got donuts. They're not in the cone that they used to be, they're a bit bigger and like a bag. But I don't know if they're going to be good. You're a throw. Nah, fine. What's your thoughts on them? They're delicious. This is the sea monster. Up next are some highlights from Awakening Show. Enjoy!
And it would be really strong. After every 10 minutes, it would change. Snowy to lightning to sunny to cloudy to rain. I've been a bit scared of the wind if it gets too windy, because I think I might get blown up into a wind, into the sky before never to come back.
You can feel the tide turning by the wind as well if you're tuned into that, can't you? The wind changes, you know, the tides change.
Arrived is literally one of the sickest things I've seen. With the locals, sea monster just caused the hugest palaver.
be here for a while, so I better learn how to look after the Earth. Remember that we are stewards of the Earth. We only have it for so long.
An almighty stage. Sea Monster is the biggest platform of its kind to tell stories of reuse, renewable energy, and the great British weather. Sea Monster was made possible by Unboxed, creativity in the UK.
That was a fun day. It was a flying light drone show, which was amazing. I've never seen drones before. It was done, I think they're saying coming to the London drone show in New Year. Don't quote me, but it was really, really good. And we had such a good view. I don't know how well it's come out on camera, but it was such a good view. It was so good. So very good. If you liked it, you know what to do. And those donuts, they weren't as nice as I remember. They've gone to using white bags, and they tasted a lot less cinnamony, if there's any cinnamon at all, even though it says cinnamon. They weren't as nice as I remember them being, but they were still very nice. Probably the same level as niceness as the Carter's one were the other day. They were nice, not as nice as they used to be, but still, yeah, still nice. They still delivered what you look for in a donut. Alright, that being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked, and maybe I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!